Hey guys, back again here with another video. This is going to be a very quick tutorial how to swap out your NVMe drive on your HP Elitebook 845 G8. I love working on this machine just because it only has 5 screws holding the bottom panel down, and it's very user upgradable, whether it is RAM or swapping out the NVMe drive. Essentially it's held down by these 5 screws, so I'll undo them real quick. And then all you'll do is you'll pull from the back right here. There's a little lip right there that you pull on. So you just basically pull from the middle and you'll start seeing the sides let go. And then all you do is just basically kind of work your way down and the actual panel comes right off. Very, very easy, very upgradable. So right here, as you can see, is the NVMe drive, and then also your RAM goes right in here. They both have heat shields. All you do, just remove the heat shield. Drive is right there, very user accessible and upgradable. In this particular scenario, I'm switching from this HP 1TB to a Corsair or Crucial 1TB. Actually, yeah, it's a Crucial NVMe drive. So all you do is screws right here for it. Just unscrew it. Drive comes out. New drive goes in. And you just screw her back down here. Make sure when you put this back to line up, there's some little grooves right here around the edges that it's supposed to kind of slide into. It's gonna drop down. And then, like I said, in case you want to upgrade your RAM, you just pull this heat shield off, and then there's your RAM slots. Same scenario, you will see the slots around the edges where the heat shield will kind of click into place. There we go. And that is pretty much it. Your Wi-Fi card is right there. If you have the model with the LTE connection, the modem goes right there. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.